In 1973, researchers gave children who loved drawing a reward for doing it. That one decision changed everything. The kids were split into 3 groups. One group was promised a reward before drawing, one got a surprise reward after, one got nothing. Weeks later, they observed the children during free time. The group that was promised rewards spent significantly less time drawing than before the study. Not a little less, measurably, consistently less. The children who received nothing kept drawing just as much as they always had. Here is what happened at a psychological level. When you attach an external reward to something you already love, your brain recategorizes it. It stops being something you do for joy. It becomes something you do for payment. And the moment the payment stops, so does the behavior. Psychologists call this the over-justification effect. It shows up everywhere. The kid paid to read books who never reads again. The hobby that dies the moment it becomes a job. The fastest way to kill intrinsic motivation is to put a price on it. Most people learn this the hard way.